here for a continuation to the downside here, especially if it cracks this area here. We think it'll blast right down to probably 103, and that's what we'll take it. And stop loss will be over 104.50. Here it comes. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's looking good here. Got about 50 cents. I want more. See if we can get this below 103. I don't see why not. Market looks a little weak, but we'll play it by ear here. Volume is low, but I think it drops below 103. Only issue is volume. Don't see much volume here. Alright, let's try to take this right here if we can. Alright, we're out. We're out for about 65 cents. It's probably going to drop, but if you look at the SPY, the SPY is on fire. And I'm thinking if the SPY continues to climb this strong, this stock will climb too. And OW, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. If we can get hit. This thing is a monster squeeze here that hasn't stopped yet. I think it's due for a stop. Alright, we are in. We're in at 224.43. Daily looks okay for a short. Consolidated here for a while, and then boom, it dropped. And here it comes. Let's take a look at this thing up close. This thing's moving. Spread was really big this morning, so I didn't take it. But now spread is still big, but it's a little bit better. Alright, we're going to try to take this right here if we can. This thing is uptrending, so could easily climb. I'm going to push this up a little bit. Stop loss will be around 2. Alright, we're out actually. We're out. We're out for about 55 cents. I just wanted to take a quick scalp on it because it is uptrending pretty hard, but it needed a pullback, and it's probably going to drop a little bit more. But the market, again, the market is telling me get out of any short position. But I'm short biased, so. But look at now the thing's going to drop. Dropped another 80 cents from where we got out of it. TXN, let's take this for a short here at the ask if we can get hit. Thing looks great for some more continuation to the downside here. See if we can get hit. Alright, we are in. We're in at 118.44. Daily does not look good for short because it had been uptrending pretty consistently for a while. But then, huge gap down today. Huge gap down, and it rallied from the open till about 120 up there, and now it's weak again. So we think this thing is going to drop down to, let's take a look at this thing up close. We think this thing is going to drop to at least 117.50, and that's what we'll take it. And stop loss will be over 119, probably like 119.25 there, about a point each way. These are big moves. You really can't put your stop losses too close. You can, but you know. TXN, we're going to come out of this right here. I don't like this. I'm going to push this up a little bit. See if we can come out of that. All right, we're out. We're out. We're out for about, what is that? 70-cent loser. About a 70-cent, 65-cent loser. It should have dropped. It didn't. And like I said, the daily is really strong. So if that didn't drop there, chances are this sucker is going to climb really hard. I don't want no part of that. Plus the market, look, the market's still climbing. And look, TXN, look, it's probably going to go past 120. I shouldn't have taken that trade just because of the daily. It had one bad day, you know, one bad day. That's all it had. NXPI, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. All right, we are in. We're in at 103.57. Daily looks okay for a short. Finally broke this consolidation area here. Intraday it gaps down, flushes, and then has a real big squeeze and a small little rally, but now it looks to be going back down south. Target on this thing, I like it well below 103, well below it, like maybe 102, 102.50 would be all right. I think we can get it there. Stop loss will be around 104.50, about a point each way. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's been dropping here for about a point now, but we think it drops some more. NXPI, all right, got about 30 cents. See if we can get this below 103 at least. If we can get over 50, at least 50 cents. All right, we got momentum here. Still no low volume though, but it's coming down. Got about 50 cents. You know what? I'm going to try to take this right here. Okay, we are out. Oh, I bought into it. Oh, that stinks. I triggered it twice. All right. Let's just hold off here for a second, see what happens. We're long now. We're long at 103.10. We went long by accident here. So I'm going to hold off and see what happens here at 103. We took about 50 cents, but I should really get out of this trade. But stop loss on this will be, I'm going to give it to like 102.75, below there. And target on this, I'm going to give it to 103.50. We're at our stop here, so we'll see what happens here. This should be the point where it turns around. I'm still in the trade because I'm not going to get out before I see a green candle. We should get a green candle soon, sooner than later. And once we do, it should cascade upward, I think, and get me out with a better price. See, that's all because of a mistake. See, should have got out of it right away. My head was saying get out of it, but the market was telling me, give it a shot, stay in it. Market's climbing, so we had the right idea. Should have stayed in it longer, short. All right, we got some green on the chart finally. So we'll see if this thing can climb here. If not, we're just going to come out of it. You know what? We're going to come out of this right here if we can. We're out. We're out. I don't like it. That's the green I saw, and I didn't see the green that I wanted to see. I wanted to see a nice big fat green candle here, and I didn't get it. So we took about a 60-cent loser on that, but we had won about 45 cents, so we actually only really lost 25 cents. Now we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit before it cracks 220. This thing looks like it's going to drop hard here. All right, we're in. We're in at 220.40. Second trade on it. Took it early and we took about 55 cents out of it. And now it's just dropping hard. So we think this thing is going to drop even harder here. So we think it'll drop down to at least below 219. We want at least a point on this, at least close to 219, and stop loss will be over 221. Let's take a look at this up close. See if we can get this down to 219. Then we'll take it. Spread is big though, but it's got momentum to the downside here, so I like that. More likely than not, this thing will drop. Here it comes. All right, here we go. We got about a point. All right, let's try to take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. Nice. Nice. We got over a point. We got a point and what is that? 15 cents? Take that and look at the thing drop. It is dropping even harder now, but I'll take that. I needed that after that screw up I did with NXPI. Oh, and check it out. Check out now, still dropping. At least 60-70 cents from where we got out. Anyways, traders, that's gonna be it for us today. Don't really see anything else that looks good, so we're gonna keep it green. We're up 226. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 4 winners and 2 losers. Our biggest winner on NOW now, and our biggest loser on TXN. Thanks for watching.